আমার সকল একাদশ শ্রেণীর ছাত্রছাত্রীরা, আজকে তোমাদের উদ্দেশ্যে যে ভিডিওটি বানাতে চলেছি সেটা খুবই একটা গুরুত্বপূর্ণ ইংলিশ পোয়েম, মিটিং অ্যাট নাইট। ইট ইজ দ্য লাভ পোয়েম এবং রিটেন বাই দ্য পোয়েট রবার্ট ব্রাউনিং। এর থেকে কিছু ব্রড বা ডেসক্রিপটিভ প্রশ্ন উত্তর আমি লিখেছি, যেগুলো তোমরা লিখে নেবে, মুখস্থ করো। তোমরা এগুলো মুখস্থ করলে অবশ্যই 2022-এর যে তোমাদের অ্যানুয়াল এক্সাম হতে চলেছে সেখানে তোমরা কমন পাবে এবং তোমরা ভালোভাবেই লিখে আসবে। এবং আজকের এই ভিডিওটা তোমাদের যদি ভালো লাগে অবশ্যই তোমরা লাইক করবে, তোমরা বন্ধুদের মধ্যে শেয়ার করবে এবং তোমরা তোমাদের মতামত জানাবে এবং আমার এই চ্যানেলটিকে সাবস্ক্রাইব করে বেল বাটনটি ক্লিক করে দেবে, যাতে আমি ভবিষ্যতে আরও যে সমস্ত ভিডিও আপলোড করতে চলেছি সেগুলোর নোটিফিকেশানগুলো সবার আগে তোমরা পেতে পারো। লেটস স্টার্ট দ্য ইংলিশ পোয়েম ফর ক্লাস 11, মিটিং অ্যাট নাইট, রিটেন বাই দ্য পোয়েট রবার্ট ব্রাউনিং। First question: what does the speaker observe in course of his journey? Answer: the speaker undertakes a long journey to meet his beloved or lover or fiancé. He observes the grey sea, the long black land, yellow half moon, startled waves, slushy sand. He also encounters the warm sea-scented beach and crosses 3 fields before he meets his beloved or fiancé or lover. My second question: what does the speaker do when he reaches the farmhouse? Answer: the speaker undertakes a long journey to reach his destination, a farmhouse, where his fiancée is waiting for him. There he taps at window pane. His beloved responds by lighting a match within. He observes this. His fiancée whispers in joy and fear, but her voice fades away at the sound of the beating of lovers' hearts in extreme excitement. My third question: why does the speaker crosses the beach and 3 fields? The answer: the speaker walks a mile on beach and crosses 3 fields to reach his destination, a farmhouse, where his fiancée lives. He wants to reach there to meet his beloved secretly at night. My fourth question: I gain the cove. What is the cove? The speaker reaches the shore, and cove is a sheltered space on the coast. My fifth question: what do you mean by quench its speed? Answer: the expression quench its speed means to stop the boat on the seashore or coast. The word quench means to satisfy or to stop. Here it refers the boat which hits the shore forcefully. On the other hand, we can say the thrust of the lover to meet his fiancée is quenched by the boat that he's reached the land. This is the sixth question, which is very important for the poem. Give the substance of the poem Meeting at Night. The summary of the question and answer. My answer is: Robert Browning's poem Meeting at Night is a very popular love poem. The narrator of the poem undertakes a long journey to meet his beloved secretly. First, he travels by boat. The sea is grey and he moves towards the grey land. The yellow half moon rising, which looks large and low. The waves are very powerful, rises from the sleep and are dancing in joy. The speaker moves on the land at the shore. He then walks a mile on sea beach and crosses 3 fields to reach his beloved farmhouse. He taps at the window pane. His beloved responds by lighting a match within. He observes this. His beloved whispers in joy and fear, but her voice fades away at the beating of lovers' hearts in extreme excitement. Today I am going to describe the last question and answer. Question number 7. Describe the feeling that the poet creates in the second stanza of the poem Meeting at Night. My answer: the sea beach that the speaker going to cross is 1 mile wide, that is warm and scented. After that, the speaker crosses 3 fields to reach his destination, a farmhouse, where his ladylove responds by lighting a match within. He observes the blue spot. The ladylove whispers in joy and fear, but her voice fades away at the sound of the beating of the lovers' hearts in extreme excitement.